The Journey of Sabrina Carpenter. Chapter 1. Sabrina Carpenter's Early Struggles. Hello, my wonderful friends. Have you ever felt like giving up? Like failure was too heavy to carry? If so, you might connect with Sabrina Carpenter's journey, a story of resilience, setbacks, and ultimate triumph. This is the inspiring journey of Sabrina Carpenter, a girl who chased her dreams, overcame obstacles, and proved that hard work and confidence can make anything possible. Are you ready to dive into her story? Keep a notebook with you, as we will not only learn about Sabrina's life, but also improve our English vocabulary along the way. Let's begin. From a young age, Sabrina knew she wanted to perform. She would sing along to her favorite songs in front of the mirror, pretending she was on stage. But dreams don't always come easily. Despite her talent, rejection was more common than acceptance. "You're not quite what we're looking for," they would say. Each no chipped away at her confidence, but deep inside, she refused to let go of her passion. She spent nights studying legendary artists, analyzing their techniques and presence. She recorded herself singing, only to cringe at her imperfections. But instead of quitting, she worked harder. Her passion never faded. It was a light within her, even when the darkness of self-doubt loomed. Little did she know her hardest battles were yet to come. Chapter 2. The Early Inspirations. Before Sabrina became a star, she was just a young girl with big dreams. She grew up listening to artists who inspired her, powerful singers and actors who made storytelling come alive. From Whitney Houston's soulful voice to Taylor Swift's heartfelt lyrics, she admired those who poured their emotions into their art. She would watch Disney stars like Miley Cyrus and Selena Gomez and dream about being on screen like them one day. These icons made her believe that dreams could come true with hard work and determination. Her room was filled with posters of her favorite artists, and she spent hours mimicking their performances. She wasn't just a fan, she was a student, carefully observing how they performed and engaged with their audience. These early influences helped shape her unique style and set the foundation for her journey. Chapter 3. The Power of Social Media. Before landing big roles in music deals, Sabrina took advantage of something many young artists use today: social media. She started posting covers of popular songs on platforms like YouTube and Instagram, hoping to reach people who would appreciate her voice. Slowly but surely, people began noticing her talent. A viral video here, a shout-out from a fan there, each step brought her closer to recognition. The power of the internet allowed her to connect directly with audiences, something that wasn't possible in past generations. One day, a producer stumbled upon one of her covers and was impressed by her voice and stage presence. That single moment changed everything, proving that sometimes all it takes is the right person noticing your talent at the right time. Chapter 4. Behind the music. Many people see the final product, a song on the radio or a performance on stage, but they don't see the countless hours of effort behind it. For Sabrina, music was more than just singing. It was about telling a story. She spent long nights writing lyrics, sometimes struggling to find the perfect words to express her emotions. She worked closely with producers, experimenting with different sounds until she found what truly represented her. Her songs weren't just catchy tunes, they were reflections of her experiences, struggles, and dreams. Whether it was about heartbreak, self-doubt, or chasing a dream, her music always carried a piece of her soul. Chapter 5. Dealing with Fame and Mental Health. As Sabrina's fame grew, so did the pressures of the entertainment industry. Suddenly, she was constantly in the public eye, with people judging every move she made. Social media, which once helped her rise to success, also became a place of criticism and scrutiny. Like many artists, she faced moments of self-doubt and anxiety. The expectations were high, and the workload was exhausting. There were times when she felt overwhelmed, questioning if she could keep going. But she learned an important lesson. Taking care of her mental health was just as important as her career. She found support in close friends and family, practiced self-care, and took breaks when needed. Over time, she understood that true success wasn't just about fame, it was about happiness and inner peace. Chapter 6. Biggest Career Milestones. Sabrina's journey was filled with unforgettable milestones. Some of her biggest moments included landing her first major TV role, proving her acting skills to the world, releasing her debut album, which introduced her as a singer-songwriter, going on her first concert tour, performing in front of thousands of fans, collaborating with artists she once admired, turning childhood dreams into reality. Receiving her first award nominations, a sign that the industry recognized her talent. Each achievement was a stepping stone, pushing her closer to greatness, but she knew the journey was far from over. Chapter 7: Future Dreams and Aspirations. Even after achieving so much, Sabrina is always looking ahead. She dreams of expanding her music, experimenting with new genres, and continuing to grow as an artist. She also wants to take on more challenging acting roles, proving that she's more than just a singer. Beyond her career, she hopes to inspire young artists who, like her, started with nothing but a dream. She wants to create music that makes people feel understood and less alone. Her story is still being written, and the best part, she's just getting started. Chapter 8: Finding Strength in Adversity. Instead of letting rejection define her, Sabrina used it as motivation. She worked tirelessly on her voice, acting, and songwriting. She realized that waiting for someone else's approval wouldn't get her where she wanted to be. She began posting song covers online, determined to carve her own path. Slowly, people started noticing. One day, a producer reached out. He had seen one of her performances and was captivated by her raw emotion and unique tone. Then the unexpected happened. A small role in a TV show opened up. It wasn't the lead, but it was an opportunity. She took it and gave it everything she had. One role led to another, and soon people started recognizing her talent. Her resilience was finally paying off. Chapter 9: Giving Back. As her success grew, Sabrina realized the importance of giving back. She mentored aspiring artists, sharing her struggles and lessons. She launched initiatives to support young performers, emphasizing resilience and self-belief. Her journey wasn't just about personal success, it was about uplifting others. She knew true greatness wasn't just about reaching the top, but helping others rise too. Chapter 10: The Legacy Continues, a Grammy win and beyond. After years of hard work and perseverance, Sabrina achieved what once seemed impossible. She won her first Grammy Award. It was a moment of validation, proving that every setback, every tear, and every struggle had been worth it. Today, Sabrina Carpenter isn't just a successful singer and actress, she's an inspiration. She proved that setbacks don't define you, your response to them does. She continues to create music that touches hearts and reminds people that their struggles can become their strength. Her story is a testament to resilience, passion, and self-belief, and as she continues to grow, one thing is clear: her journey is far from over. So, the next time you feel like giving up, remember Sabrina's story. Your breakthrough might be just around the corner. Share this video with your friends who want to learn English. See you in the next lesson. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep growing.